Hello YouTube, my name is Don from the YouTube channel, The Bitter Car Guy, and today I am driving my Volvo C30 up to the top of Brasstown Bald in Hiawassee, Georgia. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been to the channel before, I do appreciate your support. Welcome back. Please like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's go do this drive. Brasstown Bald at 4,784 feet. It is the highest point in Georgia. It is wild, it's wily, and it's beautiful. And anywhere you look, you can find spectacular views of the North Georgia mountains, whether it's in the parking area or at the summit at the observation deck. There are views that can go on for days. From the observation deck, you can see 4 states: Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Tennessee. And on a clear day, you can see all the way to the skyscrapers in the city of Atlanta to the south. This is my 2008 Volvo C30 with a 2.5 turbocharged engine that has been tuned with a factory Polestar tune. It makes 240 wheel horsepower, and this is the car that we would be driving very gently to the top of Brasstown Bald.